everyone, this is Agatha and welcome back to another week of videos. I wanted to take the time to do a little video on how to release the upper body using a roller. It's one of my favorite things to do. A lot of my clients request this and it provides them a great deal of relief. So get yourselves a roller, a mat, and meet me back on the mat. Okay, we're going to start by placing your roller parallel to the mat, right on the middle of your mat. You're going to come and sit on the front edge of the roller, okay, and then just lie down, making sure that your spine is fully supported by the roller and your head especially, right? We don't want your head hanging off the back end. Start by reaching your arms up towards the ceiling. Press the palms of your hands together. Take a nice big inhale. Continuing to push the palms together, exhale and press towards the left without letting the hands slip apart. Okay, so it's only going to move a little bit. Come back to center. You're constantly pushing the palms into each other. And exhale, we're pressing the other way. Come back to center. And exhale, press. So this is starting to open up space in the shoulder blades, starting to release those muscles, tension, fascia. Exhale, press to the other side. Come back to center. And one more time, left as you exhale. Come back to center. And right. Come back to center. Relax for just a moment. So now we're going to be doing the same movement, but this time you can let the palms slide down, but you're still pushing and resisting. Okay, so we're inhaling. Exhale, as you press to the left, you resist with that left arm as you slide down a little bit. So we're just moving that shoulder blade further apart. Come back to center and press to the other side. Center. And pressing left, center, and pressing to the right. Good, come back to center. And one more time to the left, center, and last time to the right. Come back to center. Good. So separate the arms now. Let's just mobilize the shoulder blades a little bit more by inhaling, reaching up towards the ceiling. Exhale, pulling down. When you pull the shoulder blades down, you will feel them wrap around the roller. So it's just giving you a chance not only to mobilize, but to massage those muscles around the shoulder blades. And inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. And inhale up, exhale down. One more time, inhale up, exhale down. Now we're going to inhale, open the arms wide. If you're able to go all the way down to the floor and exhale up, but like you're squeezing something between the hands, so resist it a little bit. Inhale, open, exhale, resist. Inhale, open. And exhale, resist. Two more. Inhale, open. Exhale, resist. And inhale, open. And exhale, resist. Now we're going to do snow angel arms. So inhale all the way down, and this time we slide the arms up and slide them down. Now if you can keep the pinky and the thumb down on the mat as you slide, great. If they lift off, that's okay, but don't force it so much. If you're getting to the top here and everything is lifting, that's probably too far. So stay within a range of motion that works for you. And this is continuing to provide some opening to the chest, release between the shoulders as it massages the muscles as you go. So just inhaling, pressing up, exhaling down. We're going to do two more. Inhale, press up. And down, and last time, inhale up, And exhale down. Reach the arms back up towards the ceiling. Take a nice inhale. Exhale, lower one arm down by your leg, the other one up by your ear, and come up. And change. Exhale. And up. And exhale. And up. And exhale. And up. One more time on each side. Exhale. And up. Last one. Exhale. And up, finishing off with circles. So inhale, open, exhale, circle down and around. And inhale up, exhale, circle down and around. So we're continuing to just mobilize the shoulder blades in all sorts of directions to increase mobility. Again, help release any tension, mobilize the muscles, give them a little massage as we go. So now we're reversing. And exhaling down, inhale up, and one last time, exhale down, inhaling up, and bring your arms down very gently, come off the side of the roller, okay, push it off, and then come up to a seated position. You're going to place the roller now perpendicular to your mat, and your upper back is on it, and the placement is really, when you are laying like this, you should feel that the tips of your shoulder blades are resting on top of the roller. Hands go behind your head, feet are parallel, lift your hips parallel to the mat. As you bring the buttocks towards your heels, the roller's coming up to the shoulders, and you're opening up the elbows, you're opening up the chest. On the exhale, you're curling up just a little bit, and you're bringing the roller to your mid-back. Buttocks pushes away from your heels. And inhale, roll to the shoulder blades, and exhale to roll away. Good, and keep doing this for a little bit. Obviously, when you want to do this exercise and it's feeling good, you take the time that you need. You might find that there are spots in your back that are extra tender, and you might want to spend more time there. So sometimes I like to stop and just do mini rolls wherever I feel that I have a bit more tension. And then you're going to move yourself laterally towards the left just a little bit, and that is going to give you a chance to roll through that left shoulder blade more. And you do that for a little bit. Okay, you can come to center and move yourself laterally to the right, just slightly, and it gives you a chance to roll through the right shoulder blade. We come back to center, roll a few more times. It should start to feel a little bit better now. And then we're going to just bring the glutes down to the mat, and this time, let the roller come behind your head. So this is where I like to finish off, giving myself a nice little massage in the back of the neck. So how much you feel this is dependent on how hard you press your head into the roller. Okay, so you will just press your head in, as again, you decide how much pressure you want, and as you exhale, turn your head gently towards the left. Come through to the center and exhale over to the right. Okay? And like the upper back rolling, if you find a spot that's extra tender, you can stay there and just apply a little bit of pressure, breathing through it, or just tiny, tiny side-to-side movements around that point. Okay, so you have a bit of flexibility there with what you do. Okay, let's do one more time to each side. Great, come back to center. Move the roller out of the way and finish off just allowing yourself to be with a nice flat back. It will feel pretty amazing, right? You never realize how comfortable a mat is once you get off the roller. You can move around, move the arms, and just notice how the shoulders, how the upper back, the neck is feeling after that release. Okay, then come to yourself, seated position, and that's it. So do that as many times as you need. I like to do that at least once a day. It's a great way for me to just wake up the body and just get that release that I need. This is often a place where I have a bit of tension. So I love to do this workout. Let me know what you think of it below in the comments. If you like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in the videos next week.